Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix your Air Plenum if it's come loose. So if you ever hit something here and all of a sudden you get a gap right here, it's just the Air Plenum, and it needs that to help keep the motor cool. Obviously this one doesn't have a motor in it, but it will. We're missing some clips here. It just takes two clips, one here, but I only got one. This is the part number. These are a little hard to put in, but if you want, you could put a screwdriver in here and open them up. Just a little bit here, not much. Anyway, just I'm gonna stick this one on the inside right here. Just put it in a little bit. Put a socket over it. And I'll put a hammer here. Put a screwdriver on either end here. There you go. I'll get another one later and put it over there. Okay, see, nice and tight. Alright, if you like this video, press thumbs up below, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.